guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Berryman for those who do not know me, and if you are here for the very first time, you are most definitely welcome. I know I've been away for a very long time, but I am back and I'm here to stay. Okay, so this hair that I'm wearing right now is from AliExpress, and I'm about to show you how I sew the hair, how I washed it. So if you're interested, just stay watching. Okay, so that's the hair. I got 4 bundles and it's 24, 22, 20, 18, and the closure is 16. So before I did anything, I'm about to show you how the hair looks. It's a really huge bundle and the curl is so pretty. So I washed it with a Tresemme shampoo and conditioner just to get the curl popping and make it look more natural, because this is a Brazilian kinky hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the hair and condition the hair and comb it through to get the curl to pop more. So that is all the shedding I got after I was done washing the hair. I'm gonna leave it to air dry and then I'm gonna go ahead and sew it into the wig. I'm using a dome cap and I'm gonna go ahead and sew the closure in first on the side, and then I will sew the rest of the hair in. With the sewing of the hair, I double up the tracks and then I sew the track by track really close together so I can get the full look you guys saw before. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the regular weave sewing technique and sew the entire hair, and I'm gonna come back to you guys and talk about everything else that I did after. Finally, I'm done installing the tracks. So now that I'm done installing the tracks, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace on the closure. So I'm gonna go to the cup and cut it so that the lace can be visible. The next step is parting of the closure. So I'm gonna go ahead and part the closure to my liking. I did a side part, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. And now I'm putting makeup that matches my complexion on the lace so that it's gonna look seamless and the scalp will look like my natural scalp. I'm trying to perfect the curl, so I'm gonna be using some curl perfecting products to make the curl pop. So what I used was the Sheer Moisture Curling Gel Soft Souffle, I think that's how it's called, and I'm also using the Argan Oil Curl Perfection. I'm quickly distributing these products in the hair so that the curl can pop, and then I'll show you guys how the hair looks on me. I'm so excited because I absolutely love this hair, and I told you guys earlier, this hair is from AliExpress. Their hair is very affordable, sturdy, durable, amazing. Like, I absolutely love it. So you guys should check them out, and I'm gonna be sharing some coins off down below in my description box, so make sure you check the description box before you leave. Okay guys, so this is how the hair looks now, and look at how lovely it looks. Like, I'm so in love with it. It looks so natural. I know I'm gonna be wearing this hair for a really long time because it's so sturdy, and I'm so happy they sent me this hair. So yeah, if you love it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like, share, comment before you leave. Share with your friends, of course. I love you for watching. Bye.
Fund him.